Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to make. This is going to be a 3 to 6 month size. This one is going to make in black, but you can make it in any color that you desire. For this we're going to need a piece of fox leather for the soles, scissors, crochet thread, crochet needle number 1 and a crochet needle even little than the number 1 to get the stitches to the sole, because it's very hard material, so you need a very thin needle to do it easier. A piece of iron fabric patch, beads of course, ribbon, ruler, pencil, and needle and thread or sewing machine if you have one. Let's start. We take the fox leather and cut the soles out. You can look the pattern for the soles in the link below. We are going to put the iron patch over the soles, making sure that it goes against the inside part of the sole of the shoe. We put the iron on top for a few seconds and the fabric should stick to the sole. Now we are going to sew the edge of the sole to make sure that the fabric stays properly, and also it's going to have to open the holes where we are going to put the crochet stitches. But if you don't have a sewing machine, you can omit this step and do the crochet stitch by hand. Now we are going to use not the number 1 but the little one to start taking our first stitches around the sole. As the sole is a little hard material, the little needle is going to make it easier. Around 80 to 90 stitches around the sole. We do a simple crochet around and close with slip stitch. And now we are going to start adding the beads. We do 1 simple crochet beaded, 1 simple crochet not beaded, 1 simple crochet beaded, 1 simple crochet not beaded. And so we do 3 rows around the sole. After the 3 rows, we are going to start making the creases in the front side of the shoe. We make 1 simple crochet beaded, 1 simple crochet not beaded, and we are right in front of the shoe where we are going to start making the creases. We are going to take 1, 2, yaw, 1 simple crochet beaded, 1 simple crochet not beaded, 1 simple crochet beaded, 1, 2 yaw, simple crochet. And so we are going to do 6 rows. And here is the shoe already took form. Now we are going to finish with simple crochet all around. And we finish the crochet part. Now we are going to cut the pieces of ribbon for the laces of the shoe, and we sew it on each side of the shoe. We can sew it by hand or in the sewing machine, and it's done. Isn't that the cutest thing you have ever seen? It's going to look so beautiful on your little girl. I hope you enjoyed crocheting with me. If you did, please like this video and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye!